Hello guys, Herbert Flores here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order products at Livegood. If you're not familiar with Livegood, you can click the link below and see all the details plus my exclusive bonuses. And if you're new on my channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So, let's go! So right now, I'm here on my Livegood website. If you are a member of Livegood and if you want to try the products, you can now click on log in. All you need is to enter your username and password, then click on log in. Once you log in, you can now click this shop now, okay, at your dashboard, or you can click on shop menu at the left side, okay. So, but for now, we will click this order products shop now button. Now once you click it, you can now check all the products of Livegood, like this Bioactive Complete Multivitamin for Men, Bioactive Vitamin for Women, and other products. We have a lot of products, and the company will add more products soon, okay. But for now, I will order the Daily Essentials pack, okay. So you can click on learn more or click on order now. So if you click this learn more, you can check the member price and the retail price. As you can see, if you want to sell it using your online store, you will earn $20, okay. Just click on add to cart if you want to order. Okay, so as you can see, our member savings is $20. If you want to continue to order, just click on continue shop. Then you can go back again at the shop menu and you can select other products. So I will order also this organic coffee. Just click on order now, then click on add to cart, or you can select how many quantity you want, okay. So right here, you will earn $11, okay, or you can save $11. So click on add to cart. Okay, so now the member savings is $31. Then click on continue shopping again and select other products if you want to try other products, okay. So now I will select these swag and accessories. So I want to order the Livegood hats. Just click on order now and you can select what color you want. So for now, I want this navy front and gray mesh, okay, this cuff, okay. Just click on add to cart again. Now we already have member savings of $35. Click on add to cart, one only. Then click on continue shop. So I will also order this Livegood t-shirt. Just click this order now and you can choose what size and also the color, okay. So we have the navy and also the gray, but for now I will order this navy color. Then I will select my size, I'm medium. Then I will click on add to cart. Okay, so as you can see, my savings now goes to $39. So the member price of all of these products is $74.19. Now click on checkout. Then you can now check all the products that you selected. So the shipping and handling depends on your country. So because I'm from Philippines, so the shipping and handling will cost $34.78. So the total payment is $109.68. If we convert this into peso, it will cost 6,106.16. Okay, so let's review. So I want to order organic coffee, the Daily Essential, plus the Livegood hat and the men's navy t-shirt. Okay, you can select the payment type if you want to choose credit card or debit card, or if you want to choose cryptocurrency. But for now, I will use credit card or my debit card, okay. Then you can check your information plus your credit card or debit card, so you can update if you want to change it, and also your shipping information. So after that, you can now click on this. I understand that I will be charged $109.68. Then click on I agree and click on place order. So make sure that your money on your debit card is more than $109.68 or more than with the products, because sometimes it has a transaction, okay. Then click on place order. Okay, so success. So now my order has been placed. So I will be wait for my orders within 1 to 2 weeks. So after that, I can now share it to you, or I can review the products of Live Good and I can share it to my friends and so that I can help them to stay healthy and live longer with Live Good. Thank you for watching. If you have some question or comment, just leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So see you on my next video.